The second commandment, thou shalt not have an investment team. So again, you know, investment management is not a team sport. It's really designed to be an individual pursuit. And an investing team is in many ways an oxymoron. And one of the there are many reasons why it's an oxymoron, but one of the basic reasons is that any two humans are going to have differing circles of competence. And so if I were to have, for example, an analyst on my team, and that analyst was very bright, and he or she came up with some investment ideas, I may reject them simply because I have a different circle of competence, and so which is really not doing justice to the analyst, if you will. And the second is that we don't need that many stocks in our portfolio, and so in a year we have plenty of time to research many stocks and to find 2, 3, or 4 of them that that kind of fit the bill, if you will. So they shouldn't. And the other thing is the investment analysis process is really the fun part of the job. So you really don't want to be delegating the fun part, because I wouldn't know what you'd be doing then if you weren't kind of analyzing investments. That's the most fun part.